Hello, hi friends. So today we'll be seeing how to do Leetcode 49 group anagrams. Now, firstly, to understand what an anagram is, if you have a word EAT, now the anagrams of EAT are all the other words which are possible by interchanging the alphabets AET, ATE, ETA, EAT, and so on. So once you rearrange the alphabet, if you get the same word, it's an anagram. So in today's problem, we have to output a list of strings which are group anagrams. So in this example, we can see that EAT, TEA, and ATE, these three are anagrams and they are grouped under a vector. Similarly, TAN and NAT is an anagram of itself. So this is grouped. Finally, BAT. BAT does not have an anagram, so it is grouped with only that. So this is what's asked in the question. So we will be utilizing a hash map approach to do it. So in order to do this, you have to first assume that you have an unordered map. So I'm just going to write an unordered map of the type should be string, and you have a vector of strings. Now that you have the unordered map, you will be seeing how to identify the group anagrams of a particular word. So the idea is very simple. What we'll be doing is we'll iterate through the strings array. We'll iterate one by one through the strings array and we will sort it. So EAT sorted would become AET. The sorted version would become AET. Now we will utilize the unordered map, and in the position where AET is supposed to be there, we will add EAT. So to put that into sense, I'll just have a for loop for I'll have an auto iterator, auto IT strs. Now IT is each and every element of this strs array. So IT would first be EAT, as you can see over here. So for EAT, let me first copy IT and keep. So I'll have a string temp, which would be IT. Now my temp and IT both have value of EAT, eat in it. Now what I'll be doing is I will go ahead and try to sort the IT dot begin and IT dot end. Now upon sorting this, we have, let me just write it in a different color. We have AET. We have AET. Now in the unordered map, how I would like to visualize this is if there is an unordered map like this at AETth position at the AET, we'll be appending EAT. So I'll just go ahead and use my maps, this map of IT. IT is nothing but the sorted version now. So at AET position, just go ahead and push whatever element we are at right now, which I saved using temp. Now AET has, in the location of AET in the unordered map, we have EAT. Now let's just do a dry run and see how it works for the next ones. For TEA, I'll go ahead and store TEA in temp. Now TEA is there in IT as well. You would sort TEA. That would again be AET. So it'll go back to the same position of AET where this is present and it'll add itself to this. So at this point you will have EAT and TEA here in a hash map setting. This is the value and the key would be AET. After this, you are asked to return a vector of strings. So that'll be pretty simple to return. You'll go ahead and iterate iterate to your map where you'd first initiate an answer variable that should be vector of string. Now here for auto x and mpp in our map, you are just concerned about the second part of the map, not the string but the vector of strings. So very simple, you would just push back your x dot second. Now you'll return ads. Now I'll go ahead and paste this in the code editor and see whether the code runs. So as you can see, the code has run, and this is the answer for group anagram. Stay tuned for more such lead code problems. Thank you.